Know your planet of destiny, that is Janam Samay Ka Grah, the birth time planet. This is the most important planet in your life. Pandit Roopchand Joshi ji, the author of Lal Kitab, has written explicitly about Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is planet of destiny, in Lal Kitab 1952 edition. Most of the people could not understand the concept of Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is planet of destiny. Lal Kitab Insights is the only channel that decodes the hidden secrets of Lal Kitab. The remedy is performed by placing planet of destiny, that is Janam Samay Ka Grah, in the house corresponding to the Janam Din Grah, that is birthday planet's house. In this video, you will know how to find Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is planet of destiny. Significance of planet of destiny. How to find Janam Din Grah Ka Ghar, that is the house corresponding to birthday planet. How to combine them and fix. And finally, the timings of remedy. The last part is also very important, so watch the video till the end. Welcome to my channel Lal Kitab Insights. How to find Janam Samay Ka Grah. First, note down your birth time. Next, note down sunrise and sunset times on the day of your birth. And finally, note down morning twilight and civil twilight times on the day of birth. Morning twilight is the period before sunrise when stars are not visible. Civil twilight is the time after sunset before stars are visible in the night. This sunrise time, sunset time, morning twilight, civil twilight times can be easily found on Google if you just give your birthday details. If birth takes place before sunrise in morning twilight period, then Janam Samay Ka Grah is Ketu, that is planet of destiny is Ketu. If birth takes place in first part of the day after sunrise, then Jupiter is Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place in second part of the day, then Janam Samay Ka Grah is Sun. If birth takes place in midday period, then Mars is Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place evening before sunset, then Mercury is Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place after sunset before stars are visible, this period is also called civil twilight, then Rahu will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place in night time after stars are visible, that is in pitch dark night, and also in the daytime when sun is not visible, then Saturn is Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place in the night of full moon day, then moon is Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place in the night of new moon day, then Venus is the Janam Samay Ka Grah. Suppose sunrise is at 6 am and sunset is at 6 pm, morning twilight 4:30 am and civil twilight 7:30 pm. Then 4:30 am to 6 am, if birth takes place, then Ketu will be Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place from 6 am to 8 am, that is first part of the day, then Jupiter will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place in the second part of the day, that is from 8 am to 10 am, then Sun will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place from 10 am to 4 pm, that is midday, then Mars will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place 4 pm to 6 pm, then Mercury will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place after sunset 6 pm to 7:30 pm, then Rahu will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place after 7:30 pm till 4:30 am next day, then Saturn will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. Let us understand in a better way taking practical example. If birth takes place on 15th March 2026 in Hyderabad, India, then on this day sunrise is 6 am and sunset is 6:30 pm. morning twilight 4:45 am and civil twilight 7:45 pm. Duration of the day from sunrise to sunset is 12 hours 30 minutes, that is 750 minutes. Divide 750 by 12, then each part will be 62.5 minutes. Jupiter two parts, that is 62.5 into 2, that is 125 minutes. So 125 minutes after sunrise, the period will be that of Jupiter. And Sun also two parts, 62.5 into 2, that is 125 minutes. Next, Mars will have 6 parts, therefore 62.5 into 6, that is 375 minutes. And Mercury is 2 parts, 62.5 into 2, 125 minutes. If birth takes place between 4:45 am to 6 am, then Ketu will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. If birth takes place between 6 am to 8:05 am, that is for 125 minutes, then Jupiter will be Janam Samay Ka Grah. From 8:05 to 10:10 am, Sun will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. From 10:10 am to 4:25 pm, Mars will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. From 4:25 pm to 6:30 pm, that is sunset time, Mercury will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. From 6:30 to 7:45 pm, Rahu will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is from sunset to civil twilight period. If birth takes place between 7:45 pm to 4:45 am next day, then Saturn will be the Janam Samay Ka Grah. Significance of Janam Samay Ka Grah. Significance of planet of destiny. Planet of destiny, that is Janam Samay Ka Grah, is very important planet in your life. This destiny is pre-decided, which depends on your past life karmas. In present life, you should maintain good relationships with the relatives concerned with Janam Samay Ka Grah. If Jupiter is Janam Samay Ka Grah, always maintain good relationships with father and grandfather. Take their blessings. If Sun is Janam Samay Ka Grah, always maintain good relationships with authorities and government. If Moon is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationship with mother. Take blessings of mother. If Venus is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationship with wife. If Mars is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationship with brothers, fathers, elder brother, brother-in-laws, friends. And if Mercury is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationships with sisters, fathers, sisters, and treat them well. And if Saturn is Janam Samay Ka Grah, treat your subordinates well, treat your workers well, maintain good relationships with father's younger brother. And if Rahu is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationships with in-laws. And if Ketu is Janam Samay Ka Grah, maintain good relationships with nephews and treat your son well. If Janam Samay Ka Grah is well placed in your birth chart, then life will be super smooth and comfortable. But if Janam Samay Ka Grah is not placed well in your birth chart, then you have to do remedies to improve it. For that, you need to know the house corresponding to birthday planet, that is Janam Din Grah ka Ghar. The good and bad houses of planets are as shown in the table. If your Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is planet of destiny, is placed in bad houses in your birth chart, then you must do remedy. How to find Janam Din Grah ka Ghar, that is the house corresponding to birthday planet. In Lal Kitab, day is taken from sunrise to next sunrise. That is from Saturday morning sunrise to Sunday morning sunrise, the whole day is counted as Saturday only. If someone's birth takes place at 2 am Sunday, then still Saturn will be the Janam Din Ka Grah for that person. If birth takes place on Sunday, then Sun is ruling planet and the house corresponding to Sunday is house number 1. If birth takes place on Monday, then Moon is the ruling planet and the house will be 4th house. If birth takes place on Tuesday, then Mars is ruling planet and the house will be third house. If birth takes place on Wednesday, then the ruling planet is Mercury and the house corresponding to Wednesday is seventh house. If birth takes place on Thursday, then Jupiter will be the ruling planet, then ninth house will be its corresponding house. If birth takes place on Friday, then Venus is the ruling planet and seventh house is its corresponding house. If birth takes place on Saturday, then Saturn is the ruling planet and 10th house is the house corresponding to Saturday. If birth takes place Thursday after sunset before stars are visible, then Rahu is the ruling planet and 12th house is its corresponding house. If birth takes place on Sunday before sunrise, twilight morning, then Ketu will be the ruling planet and house number 6 is its corresponding house. How to combine them and fix? Place Janam Samay Ka Grah, that is planet of destiny, in the house corresponding to Janam Din Grah. Then combining both the planets and house energy, the remedy is done. For example, if birth takes place on Monday after sunset before stars visible, then Janam Samay Ka Grah is Rahu and Janam Din Grah is Moon, and the house corresponding to Moon is house number 4. Place Rahu in 4th house for remedy. Timings of remedies. For how many days should we do remedies and at what time we should do remedies? Remedies should be done minimum 40 days and maximum 43 days, daily without any break. If there is a break during this period, again the cycle should start. Again the remedies should be done for minimum 40 days and maximum 43 days. Regarding timings of the remedies, remedies can be done at any time between sunrise to sunset. We should not do remedies during night times because night is ruled by Saturn. If 6 am is sunrise and 6 pm is sunset, then it is preferable to do Jupiter's remedy from 6 am to 8 am. And Sun's remedy, it is preferable to do 9 am to 10 am. And Moon's remedy is recommended to do between 10 am to 11 am. And Mars remedy 11 am to 1 pm. And Venus remedy from 1 pm to 3 pm. And Mercury's remedy from 4 pm to 6 pm. During night times, we should not do any remedy. For Papi planets, that is Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, we can do remedies at any daytime. For horoscope reading at nominal fees, mail your birth details to Lal Kitab Insights@gmail.com.